Hello everyone, it's Loretta. Thank you so much for joining me. Today's card is from Heffy Doodle. This is one of their latest releases. It's called Do You Want to Build a Snowman, I think? I'm not sure. I will look it up and put the information down below. You're going to see all of this in fast forward mode. I did edit out any redundancies. Everything was stamped with My Favorite Things Extreme Black ink and colored in with Copic markers. I would like to point out something that you're going to see here in just a moment, which is when I did all the die cutting for this, I die cut some. The mountains that you're going to see are actually die cut from some medium weight fabric stabilizer because it is heavy enough and it looks fuzzy, so it looks really snowy. And I love the way that that ended up in the card, and I hope that you will too. I just bought mine from my local fabric store, which is Hobby Lobby. I did do some sponging with Ranger's Tim Holtz Oxide inks. This is worn lipstick that you saw me, or about to see me, sponge on. And it was pretty quick and easy. I didn't do a whole lot of fuss and muss with the coloring. I kept it fairly simple. One of the things that I did do while coloring this image was I paid attention to the color combination I was using. When I'm coloring with Copic markers, as a general rule, I do go from darkest to lightest. In order to make the white of the snowmen in particular and the bellies of these little penguins a little bit more distinguished, I did use a BV00 as well as a C00 and C01 or C1 for the shadows, and then I blended that back out just so it was soft and there weren't any harsh edges. Same thing with the Christmas tree. I just kept coloring it until I got it the way that I wanted it. While you're watching this coloring, I do want to point out, if you would like to see this in a little bit slower motion, there's a little cog right below this video. If you click it, you can actually slow down or speed up any video here on YouTube that you watch. So that's just a tip from me to you. I'm going to play you some Christmas music, and I hope that you will enjoy the remainder of this video. If you haven't and you'd like to be, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to share my videos on your social media. Stay happy and be a blessing.